Easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners, $300 per day, 21F. This video was prepared in the English language with a female narrator. Hello friends, my name is Amelia. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be going over the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners, $300 per day, 21F. We are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brainy strategy, which is the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners. Without further ado, let's get into it now. In order for this to be the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera and be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product or a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for a long time. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too. In this video today, we are going to give you an introduction to show you exactly what Matt is doing. The information that we are giving you is from Matt's experience. Matt was a completely broke high school student at the age of 14. He is now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. So check out the link at the top of the comments below, to see what we can do to help you to make money on YouTube, without recording videos. Have you ever seen anyone with money, without a partner? We want to help you have the money to do what you want and live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want and enjoy the partner you want. With Matt's teachings, we can endeavor to help you to do this. We are presenting an introduction to Matt Parr's views, on the easiest way to make money online, with YouTube for beginners, $300 per day. Matt started out as a 14-year-old, and has spent years honing his craft. At the date of this video, Matt is 23 years old. Without further ado, let's get into it now. So what's the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners? Matt believes that he has found the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners because it meets this criteria mentioned earlier. Now if you're watching this, I'm guessing that you like smart work over hard work. Matt is the same exact way. So, let's get into the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners. This, in Matt's opinion, is using ready-to-use video footage content platforms. Matt will walk you through exactly how to do this method, in his free course. For starters, write down 10 things that you have an interest in. This can be literally anything. Hobbies. What you read and watch. Just for fun, what you do as a job. Then compare this with this list of categories, that those 10 things are a part of. The categories include, finances, being healthy, people psychology, technology and traveling. Feel free to pause the screen. Matt will show you how to summon your list of ideas. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Go to YouTube and search the category that you wrote down in step number 1. You find 3 channels within that category, and you find channels that are primarily based on what's being said, throughout the video. Please stay with us. Matt will show you how to do this, and if you've opened 3 channels now you have a list of 30 ideas. Now this is the only part of this process, where you do have to do a tiny bit of work. But trust me, It is way better than any other online job or YouTube channel idea that's out there. That's precisely because you can keep making money for years into the future, even if you're not working. Feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration. Take the best aspects of each video, and add in anything you know as well, in order to add the most value. After this, pull out your phone, open the voice recorder app, and then simply read your script. Matt will address how to get unlimited content, without having to run into copyright issues. So now we have our talking audio file that we recorded on our phone. Let's say we were running a travel video, about the top 10 little known best countries to visit. Let's say one of those countries was Azerbaijan. This is a country that most stock footage websites may not have stock footage for. However, if we search this, as you can see, we have 91 clips that we can use on this obscure country. Let's say we need music in the background of our videos. Matt will show you how to get free music, sound effects, images, basically everything you need. There are tons of different options, which he shows in his free training course. The best thing about this is, you're not going to have copyright problems, like you could potentially have, if you do compilation videos or anything like that. In order to do this, all you have to do is import your audio file and video footage, into a video editing program. I am still with you. Then it's as simple as dragging and dropping your clips right there. You can really get creative with how you piece these together. But you don't have to do anything too crazy in order for it to work. Once you've pieced everything together, you can simply go to File Export to make your master file, and then you're good to go. You can now upload your video to YouTube. If you followed everything in Matt's teaching up to this point, then you've successfully created a video for YouTube, without showing your face. You can continue to do this over and over again, by referencing different channels in your niche and getting inspiration from them. So, that is just a start. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now at the age of 23 as at 2024, making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners, $300 per day. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.